Hello tubers, it's Robert 28, 1979. Sorry I ain't put a video up in quite a while. I've been kind of busy and doing a whole lot of other things. But I had a request for some more cold start videos, and I figured what better one to do than cold starting this old 78 Massey Ferguson 50D Backhoe. I'll give you a little close up of the numbers, and got the video for the sun in the background, kind of under my carport at the moment, but it is a Massey Ferguson, and it is a 50D. I got this backhoe from my grandpa. I did a lot of work on it. I'll go over what all I've done after I did a cold start. Hopefully it'll start. I got the battery charger hooked up to it. These are fairly brand new Walmart batteries. They were bought down south by Austin, so they don't carry this particular battery here in Amarillo. And they're not but a few months old. See, I went and got this September, I think. I have to check my Facebook again, but kind of looks like that. Watch that hydraulic cylinder right there. You might see it leaking. It leaks. Basically, I've rebuilt every cylinder on this thing but the stabilizer cylinders and these two dump cylinders. Both of those got to be rebuilt, and the stabilizers on both sides got to be rebuilt. And then I got to go back through one of the pivot cylinders is still leaking, so I got to tear it back apart and figure out what's going on with it. But let's see if I can get this thing to fire up. That's a bit of a fail. But she sure is a smoking. Hell. Guess I can turn it to the boost setting on the battery charger there and see if we can get it to bust off. Let's try this again. If not, it would be considered a cold start fail, and I'll shoot another little video in about 30-45 minutes. See if that'll work. Let's try again. It says no go. And no, I'm not trying to use starting fluid. I will not use starting fluid on this thing either. I don't believe in that, because it does, over time, create issues and problems with the motor. Well, tell you what, I'm going to let this battery charge a little bit, and then I'll cut back in. I'll see you all in just a second.